Yes, ma'am.
GM counting system. So once the acquiring mode, it will ask which mode we are doing. Reset time we have to set. So click on up arrow. CPS. Counts per second we are doing our experiment. So that's why start. Counts per minute also is there, but we are doing in terms of seconds. So that's why we have to click on CPS. Voltage CPS it will come. Or otherwise if some value is showing means make it to 0 first. Initially. Both must be in 0 position. Now this is the slit for source. Where is the source? Source is it? This is the source we have to place in this slit, and this slit must be placed like this here. Okay, after placing this slit, slowly increase the voltage. Nearly about 300 only it will come, mostly 300 onwards, slowly increase. It will show CPS value. See 4. Okay, randomly it will increase. So whenever it start, take that starting voltage and note down the CPS. Next alternately nearly 40 voltage variation, 360, 400, 440. Likewise continuously up to nearly 1000 to 1200 voltage readings. You have to note down the CPS values. So voltage versus CPS. You have to draw the graph. Okay. So this voltage versus 6 of GM tube. Okay. So whenever this graph was coming like this, sudden increment, there you have to note down V1, some standard value. Next sudden rise, there V2. Operating voltage is average of V1 and V2. So from this experiment, you are calculating operating voltage. Next table lo table column batti cheptunna. ఈ సోర్స్ ని ఇక్కడ నుంచి ప్రతి సోర్స్ ఇక్కడ పెడితే స్లిట్ 1 హౌ మచ్ వోల్ట్ సిపిఎస్, నెక్స్ట్ స్లిట్ 2 okay CPS was getting varied. So 1 what is the CPS, 2 what is the CPS, likewise 1.5 millimeter distance. Okay na 0.5. So 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, likewise until down. And next top to bottom, next slowly increment bottom to top. You have to note down the CPS values. And according to the tabular, star is the slit. Next increment, decrement, average 1 by root, and this must be represented here. Or not equal to 0.5 centimeters. Here is slit 0.5. So we are avoiding first one. So that's why 0.5 must be added to each and everything. So that's why R not equal to 0.5. R reading is from the first table. Same average, same as it is for third experiment. Here thickness. Here source we have to fix it at the 4th slot. Here source must be fixed. Okay, but the thickness will be getting varied. Here they had given the thickness, disc number, that disc thickness. So first one 0, second disc 0, 1. So here in our lab from third disc it is available. Okay, see third one. This disc you have to place it here and keep it here like this. So same slot position, but the thickness you are increasing and thickness decreasing. Okay, according to the disc. So that is mu you have to calculate. Linear absorption coefficient must and should. From the graph, see sudden decrement. Okay, here x power half you will get. From this you have to calculate mu. That's all.